Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to restore your Apple TV to factory settings. So this is going to become particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and sell your Apple TV. Maybe there's a latest version out and you want that newer version and you just want to go ahead and resell your old Apple TV. Now, in order to do this, guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to do this is that you want to go ahead and access your settings button over here. So go ahead and click on settings, and then on this page over here, you want to scroll down to where it says systems. Okay, so the first screen is going to look like this. Go ahead and scroll down to where it says system, and then from here you have a few options. Under maintenance, you want to click on reset. Okay, it's going to be this toggle button. So once you click on reset, it's going to prompt you with this prompt here where you select reset to restore your Apple TV to factory settings and erase all settings and information. So select reset and update to restore your Apple TV to factory settings, erase all settings, and update to the latest TV iOS version. So what this means is that it's basically going to erase all your apps, but it's also going to update it to the latest Apple TV iOS version.